This is Jonathan and Cassie of Expat Freedom Trail. Have you ever found yourself needing a passport, but didn't know how to go about getting one? Would you rather learn how to apply for your passport online to make things a little easier? Well, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, we'll be diving into the world of passports. A small booklet that opens up a universe of travel opportunities. We'll walk you through the process from filling out the online form, gathering the necessary documents, to paying the application fee. This process might seem intimidating, but don't worry, we're here to guide you every step of the way. By the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to apply for your passport online, so stay tuned. The first step in applying for a passport online is to fill out the appropriate form. Navigate your way to the U.S. Department of State's official website. Look for the form titled DS-11, Application for a U.S. Passport. This is the form you'll need to start your passport application process. We'll stick a clickable link below the video for you to make it even easier. The form is broken down into several sections, each requiring specific information. The first section asks for your personal details: full name, date and place of birth, gender, and contact information. Ensure you fill these out accurately, as any discrepancies can lead to delays in processing your application. Next, you'll encounter sections asking for your parental information, your marital status, and your occupation. Again, accuracy is key. The form also requires details of your current passport, if applicable. If you're renewing your passport, this is where you'll enter your old passport's details. One useful tip when filling out this form is to have all your relevant documents handy. This means your birth certificate, your social security number, and any old passports you might have. This way you can ensure that all the information you provide is accurate and consistent. Remember, take your time and double-check every detail. This form is the foundation of your passport application, and a little extra care now can save you a lot of time down the line. Once you've completed the form, you're ready for the next step: gathering your documents. Having the right documents is crucial when applying for a passport. It's like packing for a journey. You want to make sure you've got everything you need before you set off. The first item on your checklist should be proof of U.S. citizenship. This could be a birth certificate issued by the city, county, or state of birth. If you were born abroad, a certificate of naturalization, certificate of citizenship, or a consular report of birth abroad will work just as well. Don't have these? Don't worry. You can request these documents from the appropriate government agency. You'll do this prior to applying for your passport online. Next, you'll need a valid ID. This can be a driver's license, a military ID, or any government-issued ID. Remember, it must be current and bear your signature and photo. If you don't have any of these, a trusted person like a doctor, clergyman, or police officer can vouch for you in writing. What about your passport photo? Yes, you'll need one of those too. Make sure it's recent, clear, and follows all the guidelines. There are many places that can help you get a passport photo, so don't stress about this step. We'll add some places you can get a passport photo below the video. Finally, you'll need to upload these documents during the online application process. Scanning or photographing your documents works well. Just ensure they're clear and legible. After you've gathered and uploaded your documents, it's time to pay the application fee. The final step in the application process is to pay the fee. Now you might be wondering about the cost. Passport application fees can vary depending on a few factors, such as the type of passport book or card you're applying for, and whether it's your first time or if you're renewing. For the most accurate information, it's best to visit the U.S. Department of State's website, which we will link below. They provide a detailed breakdown of the costs associated with each type of passport and any additional services you might require. Now let's talk about payment. The U.S. Department of State accepts a variety of payment methods. These include credit and debit cards, checks, money orders, and even cash in certain circumstances. But remember, if you're applying online, you will need to use a credit or debit card. Paying the fee online is straightforward. During the application process, you'll be directed to a secure payment page. Just follow the prompts, enter your card details, and voila, you're done. Once you've paid the application fee, all that's left is to submit your application and wait for your passport to arrive. While you're waiting for your passport, why not watch some of our other videos made for expats, travel enthusiasts, and digital nomads? It would also mean so much to us if you'd consider subscribing to our channel. We have so much to share with you and don't want you to miss out on anything. And there you have it. That's how to apply for a passport online. We've walked you through the process from filling out the online form, gathering the required documents, to paying the application fee. Remember, the typical processing time for passport applications is 6 to 8 weeks, but expedited processing can cut that down to 2 to 3 weeks for an additional fee. So if you're planning any international travel, make sure to apply well in advance. Thanks for watching. Safe travels, and we hope this guide makes your passport application process a breeze. This is Jonathan and Cassie, signing off from Expat Freedom Trail. Be happy, stay healthy, and forever live free.